McGill 3 full version. Walk towards the middle of the floor. You're going to do a posterior lunge and rest your knee on the floor. Then the other knee. Slide your hands down towards the floor and walk them forward. So now you're hands and knees. Go into a bird dog by extending one arm forward and the opposite leg back. Good. 10-second hold. Make sure you're pushing the heel back, pushing off the floor, and now touch your hand and your knee. Another 10 seconds. This is your second rep. We're doing 3 reps of 10 seconds. Make sure you're bracing and touch again. This is your third rep. 10-second hold, pushing with your heel, bracing your abs. Good. Switch sides. Good. Remember, you're pushing with the heel. Push off the floor a little more. Excellent. Touch. Hand and knee. Very good. This is your second rep. We're going to do a 10-second hold. Very good. 3 seconds to go. And touch. Good. 10-second hold. This is the last one. When the time is up, you're just going to go back onto your hands and knees. Ready? Go. Hands and knees. From there, you're going to go into a regular knee plank position. So that's a setup, so you can turn into a side plank position. Very good. So 10-second hold. Make sure you're bracing, you're anti-shrugging. And go. You're going to tap your hip to the floor by going back. Not going down, but going back. Ready? Go. Again, go back, tap, and go up. Good. This is the third rep. After 10 seconds, make sure you turn your knees, your hips, and your shoulders together. Ready? Go. Turn everything together all the way and hold for another 10 seconds. Very good. It's very important that you turn properly so that you don't twist your spine and cause stress on your spine. Ready? Tap the floor to the hip to the floor. Good. 10-second hold. You're anti-shrugging, bracing. Tap again. This is the third rep, last rep. When the time is up, you're going to turn around on your hands and knees again. Remember to turn your hips and your shoulders together. Go. Good. Hands and knees. Excellent. From there, you're going to move all the way to the edge of the mat. All the way to the outside of the mat. Good. Lie down on the floor, on your stomach. Very good. Extend your left arm forward. And now you're going to roll back into the mat. That's a proper way of rolling back into the mat. Now bend one knee. Bring your hands behind your waist. And now you're going to lift your head, your elbows, and your foot off the floor for 10 seconds. Ready? Go. Good. 10-second hold. When the 10 seconds are over, you're going to rest. Take your time. Stop. Take your time. Switch. This is some time to give your neck a little bit of a break. Ready? Lift. As you lift, you can press your tongue against your palate and clench your jaw gently to protect your neck from straining. Stop. Switch sides again. This is the second rep. Ready? Lift. Good. Again, clench your jaws a little bit. Press your tongue against your palate. Brace. Switch. Good. Take your time switching. Take your time. You don't have to strain your neck. Give yourself proper time to recover. Ready? Lift. Remember, you don't have to do a full 10 seconds. Don't strain your neck. You can do 5 seconds. But just do 3 rounds. And stop. Good. Switch again. This is the beginning of the third round. Ready? Lift. 10 seconds. 4, 6, 8. Stop. Okay, last one. Switch again. Take your time. Ready, go. Last 10 seconds. Clenching your jaw, pressing your tongue against your palate, bracing your abs. Excellent. Stop. McGill 3.